Hello everybody, I'm your host, Marian, and today you are watching Good Eats with Louise. Good Eats with Louise! Chef Louise, what will you be making today? Today I'll be making a mug cake, but instead of making it in a mug, I will be making it in a souffle pan. Wow, very fancy. Is there anybody else eating the mug cake besides me and you? Well, it would be you, me, our food critic, our local food critic, and a guest judge named Terrence. Wow, very awesome name. Is it a boy or a girl? I'm really not sure. Step 1, wash your hands. So, start with some water. And in my last video, making scrambled eggs and smoothie, we sing happy birthday twice. So, let's go. Okay, we're done. Now I grab my towel and I wash my hands. Okay, now time for step 1, cooking, the actual thing for mug cakes. So I made a note card. It is dry ingredients, and then we add the wet ingredients. So we're making mug cakes, but I wanted to use this fancy case, or this fancy mold, because it's really pretty. And so, but you can use, whatever's microwave safe. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. So this is 1/4 cup of flour. Put that in. Now it's 1/4 cup of sugar. Put that in. There we go. Now, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. A pinch of salt. Really just need a pinch. So I'm just gonna grab a pinch from that. And put that, yeah. I'm just gonna, this way. Grab too much, but that's okay. Let's see, any other ingredients? Oh, and it's 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Put that in. Now, let's see, any other dry ingredients? I think we're good. Now we're just gonna mix it up a bit.
Make sure they're all nice and mixed. See, it's already turning, the cocoa is turning a lighter color because of all the ingredients mixing with it. Because all the other ingredients are white. Okay, so let's see, mixed enough.
Now we're gonna start adding in the wet ingredients. So we need 1 tablespoon of water, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I think that's all of our wet ingredients. So now we're just gonna mix it like we did with the dry ingredients.
Make sure it's all really mixed. I'm really careful with it because I don't want it to spill. But if you're comfortable, you can go faster than I am. If you're comfortable, you've cooked before, you've made this before, you can go faster than I am. But, I've made this before, yes, but I just keep going slow because I don't want to watch. I'm just gonna keep mixing. Keep on mixing until it's really like a nice good consistency. So it's not really quite there yet, but maybe there a little bit. So let's see this part. This is the bee.
On our door. So now that's all nice and mixed. Put that there. And as a special treat, we'll put a couple of sous chef Louie, you can't have any chocolate chips. These are for our cake. So we're gonna take it and I'm gonna sprinkle. Oh, they're mini. They're gonna be extra cute. And I'm just gonna mix that real quick with a spoon.
So every part of it has a chocolate chip. Really pretty.
Now, the cook time is 1 minute and 45 seconds. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave. It really depends on how big your pan is, but since mine's pretty big, I'm doing 1 minute 45 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna take out my mug cake, or my cake, and you see how jiggly that is? And you see how around the edges it's not quite baked? Well, the judge of that, we take a knife and we stick it in, and if stuff comes off of it, like if it's not clean, if it's like really gooey, that means it's not done. But if it comes out clean, that means it's done. So we're gonna put that in for around, I'm gonna go 30 seconds because that seems, a good amount of time. Okay, so now our mug cake, I don't think it's ready quite yet, but we'll test it. Take our knife. I'm actually gonna clean this off so I can tell if it's ready or not. Be very careful with your knife. You don't want to hurt yourself. Now we're gonna see if it's ready. I think it needs a little bit more. I'm gonna go with around 15. 15 is gonna be good. But our thing doesn't let 15, so I'll just wait till 15 seconds. Okay, so it's been 15 seconds. The top looks a little gooey, but the inside seems fine. I think I'm gonna go for another 15. I think that might be good. Let's see how good it is. Whoop. Okay, so the edges are not, they're gooey. I think I'm gonna go another 15 seconds because the edges are still really gooey, but the middle is like okay. Okay, actually I think it's ready. Hot. I'm going to use this because I don't want to burn myself. Alrighty. I think our cake cannot. I think it's ready. I think it's ready. Do you want to make a glaze for this or no? I think it's fine. Well, tell me in the comments if you want to make a glaze next time we make a cake. So we've got our cake. Now I'm gonna cut it up into editor/filmer. Do you want some?
I'm okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut it up into. Ask Mom if she wants some. Two, three, four. Okay. Good. Okay. We got to get our plate. Okay, so plate number 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A little bit of flour in it. I'll just put powdered sugar on it. That was a good slice. Oopsie. That powdered sugar. Now let me get the powdered sugar out. our powdered sugar? So we got powdered sugar. Okay. Woo. And we're gonna put this in the microwave, or in the wash. Get each person a fork. Now we shall serve. I didn't make it very well. Oh, great stuff. We have our guest judge, Terrence. So Terrence.
Hello. Just doing my work here. I'm a criminal profiler for the FBI for Slovakia.
Okay. And how do you like your cake?
Oh, I haven't tried it. I'm trying. Oh, I mean, that's really good, Louise.
It's wonderful.
Where
So
did your
rich.
accent go?
You know, it wavers in and out with my time here. I've spent here in the United States of America, but yeah.
So, everybody, you host, how do you like it?
You are gonna rate it. So first, I rate this probably maybe like an 8.5. Sous chef, shut up. Well, yes, our sous chef's being annoying. Mother, how do you rate it?
10.
Terrence?
10.
I think it's a 9.
Well, that's it for today. So, Chef Louise, do you think today went well?
I think today went really well. The only problem was I didn't mix it well enough, so there was flour on the bottom. But, I can fix that. And post in the comments below if you made a mug cake after I did. And if I deserve that, those 10s. And, yeah.
Any special events?
Well, like I said in my previous video, which you should go watch right after this one, once I reach 50 subscribers, I'm going to make a giant, delicious cake. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. And I'd like to say one last thing. Please subscribe to XX Boy Killa XX.
Killer,
Max-
not killer.
Max von Schriltz, MSP, and Hunter Plays 123. Those are really good channels, and I think
And Eva the Unicorn.
Oh, and Eva the Unicorn. They're all really good channels. I think you should, subscribe, watch their videos.
So, that was it with Good Eats with Louise.